Hello, and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to create a 3D engraving on slate using our fiber laser. Let's get started. First, we need a slate tile. Unfortunately, I only have old, pre-engraved slates available, so I'll start by cleaning one. We'll use the fiber laser for this task, and I'll show you how to clean the slate tile properly. Let's switch over to the laser software and begin. First, I draw a black rectangle slightly larger than the slate tile I want to clean. I then move the rectangle to the center of the page and open the layer settings in the top right corner. Here are the settings I use for my 60-watt fiber laser. Make sure not to use more than one pass, and I recommend ticking the crosshatch option. This is really helpful, and I'll explain it in more detail later. Now, place your slate tile inside the red dot framing, ensuring that the height is correct for the lens you're using. I'm using a 150mm lens here. Once everything is set up, run the task. Thanks to the crosshatch option, the laser will first engrave from left to right and then from bottom to top, leaving you with a beautifully clean slate. Now, let's move on to creating the depth map for our 3D engraving. Start by navigating to depth-r.com/builder, which is free to use and easy to handle. I also added the link in the video description. Choose a background from the library. They're all tested and work great. After selecting a background, click on Add Depth Shapes to choose from a wide variety of pre-made depth maps. I typically begin by selecting a frame for my design. After that, I choose another cool depth map shape, like this bunny here. On the left side, you'll see a button called Shortcuts. Clicking it will show you all the available shortcuts and settings. You can easily move shapes in front or behind others using the plus and minus keys on your keyboard. If a shape isn't being selected, make sure it's in the foreground by sending the other shapes to the back. Let's add another shape to our bunny design. I'll mirror the leaves using the little arrow icon above the canvas, resize them slightly, and place them behind the bunny. You can also use the radius slider to round the background so that only the necessary area is visible. Since the fence on my bunny depth map looks a bit off, I'll change it with just a few clicks. It's that simple. I'll also mirror the bunny because I think it looks more balanced that way. Once you're happy with the design, click the green Save icon to download your finished depth map. Now let's head back to the laser software, remove the black rectangle from before, and import the depth map we created. Resize the map to your desired size, in my case 90mm for my 100mm tile. Position the map in the center of the page and open the layer settings in the top right corner again. For 3D slate engravings, I use 508 dpi as it gives the smoothest surface and the most detailed results. Set the number of passes to between 64 and 100. Usually, I use around 80, depending on how much depth I want. Make sure to untick Pass Through and choose 3D Slice as the image mode. Finally, we're ready to run the depth design. Make sure the red frame is correctly positioned and click Start. Depending on your laser, the size, depth, and settings, this will take around 30 minutes. Please ensure you have excellent ventilation while engraving 3D slate, as it generates a lot of dust. After the engraving is complete, use a brush to clean off any residue and enjoy your first highly detailed 3D engraving. For me, this is one of the coolest things you can create with a fiber laser. It makes an amazing gift for almost any occasion. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a try yourself and feel free to ask any questions you might have. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon. Bye!